Hi everyone, Julie here from K&J Adventures, and today I wanted to share with you another short video about a really cool truck camper that's totally kind of small, lightweight, and very interesting. It weighs 1,260 pounds dry, which makes it a real nice compatible rig for a average full-size half-ton with a payload of about 1,750, give or take. It's called the Northstar Vista. It's actually a non-Cabover camper, which is really kind of crazy but exciting. So I'd like you to take a look at this footage and let me know what you think. The one that we're going to look at is a 2016, which I would consider to be well optioned. It retails for $14,695 at the Truck Camper Warehouse. And I looked on the Northstar website, and the 2018 Vistas at the base price retail for $12,680. And one more thing, I'd like you to consider subscribing if you like these videos. It's free, it's fun, and I'd really appreciate it. I'll put some info in the drop-down box under the video about further details concerning the Northstar Vista non-Cabover camper. So thank you for watching, and let's roll that awesome truck camper footage.